Welcome to the virtual meeting Brazil, Plasticflix. Functional endoscopic sinus surgery, Rhinoplasty 2022. 4 days virtual conference. 2 days cadaver lab hands-on. 90 conferences. And more than 14 country speakers. Upgrade your skills. Improve your knowledge. And make more money, of course. And the most important thing, learn with the best, top experts like Dr. Fernando Mattioli from Brazil, Dr. Tiago Lyrio from Brazil, Dr. Nazim Sirks from Turkey, Dr. Peter Palhotzi from Hungary, Dr. Miguel Goncalves Ferreira from Portugal, Dr. Salvatore Tagliatella Scafati from Italy, Dr. Paolo Rubez from Brazil, Dr. Dalton Volpato from Brazil, Dr. Juan Tomasino from Argentina, Dr. Fernando Nakamura from Brazil, Dr. Luis Pedro Fortuny from Guatemala, Dr. Hector Duran from Mexico, Dr. Leandro Pellerin from Brazil, Dr. Luis Carlos Ishida from Brazil, Dr. Leandro Aguiar from Brazil, Dr. Sérgio Furtado from Brazil, Dr. Marcelo Wolcan from Brazil, Dr. Mario Farinazzo from Brazil, Dr. Diego Corredo from Brazil, Dr. Christian Cordero from Ecuador, Dr. Ronnie Azevedo Diaz from Peru, Dr. Juanchiro Ignacio from Argentina, Dr. Hernan Chinsky from Argentina, Dr. Miguel de la Rosa Cruz from Mexico, Dr. Rogelio Martinez Wagner from Mexico, Dr. Marco Galati from Italy, Dr. Valerio Finocchi from Italy, Dr. Jose Carlos Neves from Portugal. Take advantage of discounts valid until the end of this month. Visit our website and subscribe now. www.plastiflix.com